Oh, hello. Welcome to day 14 of our 28 days of Airstream renovation. It is a gorgeous day, about 80 degrees. I'm getting a late start, but there's a lot to do, so we should probably get started. Let me wait for this car to pass, and then I'll tell you all about subscribing. Are you a subscriber yet? Well, if you're not, you should hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. Which right now is every day. It's a lot. It's a lot. All right, let's get started. This is the side compartment that goes into the bedroom, and this thing is super, super leaky. I'm going to be sealing around the edge here, although that's not most of the problem. It could be part of it. For this sealing project, we're going to be using a few different things. We're going to be using Parbond aluminum, which I will link in the description. We're going to be using a little paint scraper. And then we're going to be using this little caulking tool. I probably could find something better, but this seems to do the job. And of course you don't want to be touching that Parbond, so we'll be doing a pair of gloves. Got all of this around this section and that entire thing there. And then I also did the door on the other side. Oh, and I did this line right here and another little line on the other side. I'm going to continue day 14 tomorrow because I literally did nothing on this. Well, I mean, I spent an hour and a half doing some of this, but a lot more work tomorrow and I don't want to have a super short video. So I'll see you tomorrow. And it'll still be day 14. It's like we're time traveling. Good morning, everybody. We are going to be continuing doing our exterior sealing today. I'm going to be conquering the back so I can try to take care of that leak that is in the ceiling of the bedroom. This is important because we're trying to finish up painting, and I don't want to paint over something that's leaking because it's just going to leave a mark and all that jazz. So that's what we're doing. Continuation of day 14. These seals right here are what I'll be working on. Across there, all the way across the top. Let me show you a bit what I am doing. I'm using my metal scraper to very carefully get up along the edge here. I say very carefully because if you are not careful, you will scratch the aluminum of the Airstream, and you do not want to do that. I'm sure there is a better tool for this, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. I tried using a couple of plastic ones and it just wasn't getting the old caulking off, so I'm just gonna use the metal one. Be careful. Let us continue. I got all of the seams on the bottom portion of the back of the Airstream cleaned out with my scraper and some mineral oil. It's all wiped down, ready to go. So now it's time to fill some things. I want to show you what I'm using. I'm pretty sure I showed you this earlier, but this is Parbond aluminum. I get the aluminum color because it matches the color, obviously, of the aluminum of the Airstream perfectly. Now I use this, and I use the Parbond. I use this little caulking spreader to make it nice and smooth, and then I also have some mineral spirits on hand and some paper towels for cleanup. It's not an exact science. You just want to make it as pretty as possible, but also, you know, just like a thin bead. The main goal here is making it watertight. So pair that with making it pretty and you'll do a fine job. I'm going to get all of these bottom seams sealed, and then I'm going to move on to the roof so that I can work on that up there. It turns out there's some like silicone, old silicone caulking up there, and I'm going to need to do some different kind of removal for that. So we'll get this sealed up first. One more item, gloves. Gotta wear the gloves. You don't want to get this Parbond stuff on you. It is poisonous. And I just kind of draw a bead of it. All the way down. Looks really messy now. We're going to clean it up and have it look like that one on the bottom. Now we're just wiping off the excess here. Now you can see it's all cleaned up, looks really good, nice and thin, and when that completely dries, it just blends right in with the aluminum. I'm going to finish the seam all the way up, and I'll show you when it's done. Looking very good, clean, thin line. That's exactly what you want. It blends right in. All right, guys, I got all of the joints sealed that I need to get sealed today, and I think with that, I'm going to call it a day. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, the little bell next to it, so you'll be notified anytime we release a new video, and we will see you tomorrow for day number 15. All right, bye.